So it's really amazing to see that in this day and age, there are so many budget-friendly wireless earbuds for different types of people, with different types of needs in terms of wanting a decent pair of truly wireless earbuds. Because as far as I remember, a few years back, in order for you to get a decent pair of truly wireless earbuds, you will have to spend a fortune just for you to have a good sounding headphone that has good battery life and also has good build quality. But that is not the case for today because this is the Redmi Buds 3 Lite. So, this pair of truly wireless earbuds is under $20. So as I said, this is a very budget-friendly type of earphone. And for $20, you will get a lot. You will get a decent pair of truly wireless earbuds from a trustworthy company, which is Redmi, and a very minimalistic type of design, which for most people would really work out because it doesn't pop out that much, and most likely it will fit a lot of people with different types of ear holes because of the cat ear design. Anyway, before we move on, of course we'll have to check on what's inside the box, because for under $20 you are getting a lot from what you're buying. I might even name this as the budget king of 2022 because, you know, as I said, for all those reasons, for having a reputable company making these type of earbuds, you really can't go wrong. Anyway, what's inside the box? So first of all, of course, you will be getting your truly wireless earbuds. Next to that is you will be getting a pretty nice short USB-C cable, which will work out for most people. Again, it is a short cable, but that doesn't matter because at least it has a cable, because most earbuds don't even include this anymore. Next to that is, of course, the user manual and warranty information, which for such a small product, you sure are getting a lot of information about this. And last but not least, we have the extra ear tips and ear fins, because this is what's unique about these earbuds. It has ear fins, which is why I said earlier it will fit most people. Now, let's talk about the design of these earbuds, because the first time I saw this, it felt as if the Apple AirPods and the Galaxy Buds Plus had a baby, and this is the result. Now, the reason I'm saying that is because if you look closely to the case, it does have a flip-top design, which is obviously inspired by Apple AirPods. But in terms of the earbuds itself, it's reminiscent to the Galaxy Buds Plus shape because it does have the ear fins same as the Galaxy Buds, and just the overall shape of the earbuds really does look like something that Samsung would make. It does have that satisfying magnets to it so that, you know, the earbuds won't fall off whenever you drop this, and it does feel sturdy, which leads us into the build quality, because the build quality on this device is really nice. It has a matte black finish, and I believe it comes in white. I don't know if you can see, I am sweating a lot in this room, but there are 0 to none fingerprints whenever I'm touching it, even though I'm having sweaty hands. I love the matte black finish. It looks very minimalistic. And speaking of minimalistic, let's go back to the earbuds itself. It's very small, which will fit most people that will use this, and I think that is a really nice touch. Also, this device does feature an IP54 dust and water resistant rating, so even if you get caught in the rain or sweat a lot during workouts, you wouldn't have to worry because it is water resistant. So, moving on to probably the best feature about these earbuds, which is the battery life, because the advertised battery life on these because the advertised battery life on this product is 5 hours on a single full charge, but during my testing I almost got about 6 hours, which did exceed the advertised rating. But do take note that the battery life depends on how you use it, which means how loud the volume is, because during my testing I was using about 80 to 100% volume, which is still very impressive for a product that is in this price range. For comparison, the latest AirPods, the AirPods 3rd generation, has 6 hours of battery life, and for what you're getting, I can say that is very impressive on this product. For the battery life, that's probably the best feature about these earbuds. For that, you can do a lot. I mean, quite a lot. Comparing it to its predecessors, which are the Redmi AirDots, I was getting about 2 hours of battery life, and that wasn't enough because I'd be watching a movie and then suddenly it would just die on me while watching the movie, which really pissed me off a few years ago. But, you know, Redmi really did a good job, and for that, I can say the battery life is really impressive on this product. So, with that said, let's now move on to the fit and feel of these earbuds, because again, it does have this thing called cat ear design that Redmi advertises. I think they really did a great job on designing these earbuds because it can fit a lot of people with the different types of ear tips and ear fins. Because of the ear fins, it really helps in the fit of the earbuds. I can work out and, you know, probably do a lot of jumping and random exercises, and these earbuds will still stay inside my ears. You can probably shake your head quite a lot in order for this to fall off, but nonetheless, the fit is great. And also, what I also love about these earbuds is how it looks inside your ears, because whenever you're wearing this, it looks very discreet. The vibe that it's sending off whenever you're wearing this kinda makes you look cool because you look like a spy. It doesn't have any stems. It's just a really minimalistic design, which I think most people will like. Lastly, which is the most important part of the video that we will tackle about, is the sound quality. For under $20, what will you be getting? First of all, what I did notice when I first tested these is that the highs are nice, which I think most people will like, especially if you're that type of people who likes to watch movies. The voices are clear and loud. They can improve more on the mids and the bass because for me it kind of lacks on those two things. But if you're that type of person who likes to watch movies, who likes to listen to podcasts, stuff like that, I think you'll be really satisfied with the output of these earbuds. But then again, it does quite lack the bass and the mids. But overall, the average user won't even notice that. For under $20, you are getting a lot already, so you really can't complain. I don't think most people who will buy this will regret purchasing it, because then again, you are getting an impressive product for such a budget-friendly price tag. I will link this product down in the description below for those who are interested in buying this. So yeah, that is it for the Redmi Buds 3 Lite review. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you are interested in more videos like these, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video itself. And I have also noticed that most of you who are watching my videos aren't even subscribed to the channel, which, you know, sucks. But nonetheless, thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Also, wait, I totally forgot to shout out my best friend Patrick. Thank you for sending these earbuds out for me to review. He is the reason why I made this video. And yeah, thank you, bro. Thank you all for watching. Again, I do hope I see you in the next one. For real this time.